Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Theme Hunk. In this video, we will see how to import the demo of the Top Store theme. First of all, see how to install the theme. Open your dashboard. Click on Appearance and then on Add New Theme. Search for the Top Store. Install and activate the theme. Upon theme activation, go to Appearance and click on Top Store Options. Now click on Demo Import and then activate the Hunk companion. The Import Demo button is available now. Click on Create My Website. On this page, you can find all demo sites of Top Store that you can filter by different means. Now choose a demo to import. This is the preview. You can explore the full site here. Having seen the preview, click on Continue and then on Build My Website. This process may take a while to complete. Your site has been built. With these two buttons, you can customize the site or view it. We have redirected to the Customize page. Here you can make significant changes and publish right now. It comes with various pre-made layouts for header, footer, blog, and some more. You can choose the most suitable layout. The front page section is given to customize the front page with images, categories, sliders, etc. Total color and BG options allow you to color the site and make attractive combinations. You have given separate sections for global color and header. From the preloader, you can add your own preloader that appears while loading the site. The social icons help to connect the social media accounts to the site. There are so many social media icons to link. These two options are for menus and widgets. This section is dedicated to WooCommerce. This lets you customize the WooCommerce pages and styles. After all, save the changes. Now go to the previous page. Click on View Website. This is our website. It is the same as we saw in the preview. So this is how you can import the demo of the Top Store theme. You can install the theme from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.